I etch copper using salt water and electricity. It's a low toxic process and it's really fun. I have a jewelry line, it's called Saltfire, and it's pendants, earrings, bracelets, and belt buckles. And it's all inspired by the things that I see regularly on Haida Gwaii that make me feel whole and complete and connected to the planet. Copper has properties that are unique. It's a mega conductor. It conducts electricity and heat, and although it's not very scientific, there are a lot of anecdotal and claims that copper conducts energies as well. Participants in the course will walk away with a solid understanding of how to transfer images onto metal. You can bring your own designs, and we will experiment using salt water, electricity, a variety of different resists and power sources to transfer your design onto the copper permanently in an etching process that is low toxic and available in any household.